In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam won't log in with correct email password. First, let's make sure the basics are solid. Carefully re-enter your sign-in details and watch for easy-to-miss issues like typos, extra spaces before or after your email or password, and whether caps lock or number lock might be affecting what you type. Also check your keyboard layout if you switch languages. Remember, Steam often asks for your account name, not always your email, especially on older accounts. If there's any doubt about the password, use the "Forgot Your Password" link to reset it. After resetting, test your login on the Steam website before opening the desktop client. Head to steamcommunity.com and try signing in there. This helps confirm your credentials are correct and that your account isn't limited or hijacked. If the website works but the app doesn't, or if you still can't get in, check server and network status. Visit steamstat.us or downdetector.in status Steam to see if Steam is experiencing outages. If there's a widespread issue, waiting is usually the only fix. If servers are fine, restart your router to refresh your connection and clear any temporary network glitches. Temporarily disable any VPN, proxy, or warp service, because these can block or delay Steam's authentication. If connection errors persist, change your DNS to Google's 8.8.8.8 in your network settings, which can resolve slow or failing lookups. Next, clear local data that might be corrupt. Fully close Steam. On Windows, open the Steam folder, usually at C, Program Files x86 Steam. Inside, delete the contents of the app cache, cached, config, and user data folders. You're removing the contents, not the entire Steam folder. Restart your PC afterward. When Steam opens, go to Settings, clear the download cache, and under the web browser section, clear the browser cache and cookies. Then close and relaunch Steam. For good measure, right-click Steam. exe and choose Run as administrator to ensure it has the permissions it needs to update and authenticate properly. If none of that works, it's time to contact support. Go to help.steampowered.com and submit a ticket with the exact error message, screenshots, and the steps you've already tried. Once you're back in, enable Steam Guard to strengthen your account's security. And if you use a password manager, try typing your credentials manually. Sometimes autofill adds hidden spaces or the wrong username. That's it for this guide. I hope this helped you get back into your account. Thanks for watching.